Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to check login device in Instagram. In order to check login device in Instagram, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, first thing first, update your application and log in into your Instagram account. In order to check your login devices or the devices that your account is currently logged in, go to your profile from the bottom right hand side corner, tap the try bar icon from the top right and go to settings. Once you tap on the settings button, it's going to take you to all of these. It's going to take you to this page. Scroll down a bit, go to account center. After you tap on account center, it's going to take you to this kind of interface. Tap on the profiles from the top and select the particular profile for which you actually want to check your login activity or the devices that your account is currently logged in. You need to go ahead and tap on accounts. So over here you'll be able to see this sort of interface. Your tap on password in security. After that you'll be able to see security check. Under it you can see where you're logged in. So here you need to go ahead and tap on where you're logged in, and after that it's going to show you the particular devices that your account is currently logged in. As you can see, these are the particular list of devices that my account is currently logged in. So if you want to remove from the particular device, tap on the device, and after that tap on select devices to log out, and just tap on the particular device that you wish to remove your account from and click on the log out button. So in this way you can check your login device in Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.